Introducing our latest product, OLLO Excel, designed with enhanced user-friendliness in mind, it eliminates the need for complex programming expertise. Featuring intuitive block-based coding reminiscent of Scratch, it provides an accessible and streamlined experience for beginners. Introducing a new feature, text-to-speech. This capability enables the robot to vocalize any programmed text with minimal and straightforward coding. Here's an example.
Hi, come join us at Robotclub today.
Another feature allows users to easily change the screen's display by choosing from a wide variety of faces, giving them more options to personalize the look by selecting faces that are suitable for different situations. This is a vibration sensor, a device that can feel small shakes or movements around it. The sensitivity can be adjusted, so it can be set to detect either very light or stronger vibrations depending on what you need.